Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you the new Mandala feature in ImagR, but first, please like the video so we know that you enjoy our content. Now let's start. Go to image-r.com. In the top menu, open Extras and click Mandalas. Tap Shuffle to instantly generate different mandalas. Shuffle randomizes the top settings like segments and layers. Tap Redraw to keep your current settings, but create a new variation. Use the distance slider to add a gap between segments. Enable outline to add, for example, an accent color. Increase line width to make the outline thicker. Enable background if you want a backing shape. The background radius slider rounds the corners or makes a full circle. The overflow slider controls how much larger the background circle is compared to the mandala. You can switch mode between all white, grayscale, or black and white. I'll turn outline and background off for now. I'll hit redraw a few times until I find a design I like. Then switch mode back to colored. Turn on remove small shapes to filter tiny parts. Increase the slider to decide the minimum shape size that remains. You can also adjust segments and layers manually. I'll shuffle again. Increase distance. And redraw. This one looks great. I'll remove the small shapes so it's practical to cut. You can download your design as SVG or PNG. I'll start with SVG. Import the SVG into your laser software. Colors are grouped, so you can change a whole color with one click. I'll select all shapes and set them to red for cutting. If your software shows fills, toggle between fill and line to match my result. Now I'll also save the mandala as PNG. Go to Cut Prep in the top menu and click Contour. Upload the PNG. Tick Outline. And adjust the slider to set the gap around the mandala. When it looks right, click Download. Back in the laser software, size the mandala to your target dimensions. Make the outline slightly larger. Center both with the P key. If you forget to center the mandala first, move away the outline, select the entire mandala, press P to center it, then center the outline again. Now everything is perfectly aligned. LightBurn also lets you add other shapes to the SVG outline. For example, a small hanging hole. Therefore, I move the outline to a different position. Draw a circle and place it at the top of the outline. Select both. Open Tools, click Boolean Assistant, and choose Union to merge them. Draw a smaller circle for the actual hole. Size it to your measurement. And place it exactly in the center of the first circle. Select both and click Tools and then Weld Shapes. Group the mandala with Ctrl+G for easier positioning. Center the outline again and nudge the mandala until it's perfect. For me, the hole is too big, so I hold Ctrl+U to ungroup, select the circle, and resize it slightly. Done. Time to cut. I'm using mahogany, taped with masking tape to reduce residue, and magnets to hold it in place. Using masking tape prevents residue and scorch marks during engraving, saving us a lot of time. Start the job. When it's finished, remove the wood and peel off the tape. I'll do this in the background. It's not exactly riveting, and peeling tape is straightforward. There it is. Clean the surface with isopropanol and a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue or glue from the tape. Here's the final mandala. Crisp geometry and clean cuts, even on the small details. It makes a great gift or a beautiful decoration for a tree or wall. With the new ImagR Mandala tool, you can design pieces like this in seconds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. This would help us tremendously. Have a great day, and see you soon.